Eric Darling here with Darling Data, and this is of course a promotional video. I have to warn you before I do one of those on YouTube, or else I don't know what happens. Get eaten by an algorithm, I guess. So anyway, much more exciting. This year, this May 11th through 13th, I will be in Wrocław. That is tricky. That is not Wroclaw or Wrocław. I have been informed that that is Wrocław, Poland. Poland's a lot easier than the other one. But I'm going to be at the SQL Day Workshop finally in the year of Pope John Paul 2026. I was originally supposed to be there in 2020, but due to unfortunate world events, I did not get to go to Poland. I got to spend a really weird, like, 2 in the morning talking to my webcam. So I'm getting my revenge finally, though, and I'm getting to go to one of the coolest conferences in all of Europe. I have a pre-con there that'll be on the 11th of March, April, May. I already bought my plane tickets, don't worry. It's going to be all about advanced T-SQL. I'm not going to teach you how to write a join or write a right join or write a wrong join or wrong or right join. I'm going to teach you all the like just weird stuff that I've learned about T-SQL databases and the way that those two things interact over the many beard graying years that I've been dealing with our beloved SQL Server. So I hope to see you there. I hope to see you, of course, at the pre-con, because I have extra goodies for anyone who shows up. My course, Learn T-SQL with Eric, usually a $500 USD value. All pre-con attendees will get free access to all 60 plus hours of video for the rest of their lives. The pre-con that I teach is just a small compartmentalization of some of my favorite parts of the course, but there's a whole lot more out there. And if you want to just be able to relive your favorite moments with me in Poland, well, you'll be able to do that for the rest of your life. So I hope to see you there at the SQL Day conference in Wrocław, Poland. God, I hope I got that right. Man, I love you. Goodbye. Thank you.